1. African gray parrot, lifespan, 40 to 60 years. Breeding season, November to April. Age at first breeding, 4 to 5 years. Weight, 400 to 650 grams. African gray parrots are known for their exceptional intelligence and can mimic human speech and other sounds. 2. Senegal parrot, lifespan, 25 to 30 years. Breeding season, January to May. Age at first breeding, 2 to 3 years. Weight, 120 to 170 grams. Senegal parrots are playful and social birds that make excellent pets. 3. Myers parrot, lifespan, 25 to 30 years. Breeding season, October to December. Age at first breeding, 2 to 3 years. Weight, 110 to 140 grams. Myers parrots are known for their pleasant personalities and can become quite tame with proper socialization. 4. Brown-headed parrot, lifespan, 20 to 30 years. Breeding season, August to October. Age at first breeding, 2 to 3 years. Weight, 200 to 250 grams. Brown-headed parrots are native to sub-Saharan Africa and are known for their stunning plumage. 6. Cape parrot, lifespan, 20 to 30 years. Breeding season September to December. Age at first breeding, 3 to 5 years. Weight, 500 to 600 grams. Cape parrots are endangered and only found in South Africa, and are considered the largest of the poicephalous parrots. 8. Red-bellied parrot, lifespan, 20 to 25 years. Breeding season, January to May. Age at first breeding, 2 to 3 years. Weight, 120 to 170 grams. Red-bellied parrots are social and intelligent birds that require plenty of mental stimulation. 9. Jardine's parrot, lifespan, 20 to 30 years. Breeding season, January to April. Age at first breeding, 2 to 3 years. Weight, 170 to 280 grams. Jardine's parrots are known for their playful and curious personalities. 10. Ruppel's parrot, lifespan, 20 to 25 years. 2. Breeding season, June to October. Age at first breeding, 2 to 3 years. Weight, 140 to 190 grams. Ruppel's parrots are native to the Sahel region of Africa and are known for their striking colors. Like and subscribe.